Welcome back. Jet Legend's 2026 M60 Patton tank stands as one of the most surprising revivals in modern military engineering, proving that a classic design can evolve into a futuristic war machine. Originally introduced during the Cold War, the M60 was once the pride of the U.S. Army, but now, in 2026, this legendary tank has returned, reborn with 21st century technology, advanced protection systems, and unmatched firepower. The modern M60 Patton is no longer just a relic of history, it's a reimagined powerhouse designed to dominate the modern battlefield with precision and endurance. The 2026 version of the M60 has undergone a complete transformation under the U.S. Army's modernization program. Its exterior looks sharper, more angular, and heavily armored, giving it a menacing presence. The design combines the ruggedness of the original M60 with the smooth, stealth-inspired geometry of modern tanks like the M1A2 Abrams EP-4. The hull has been reinforced with composite armor and reactive protection layers that can resist kinetic and chemical energy projectiles. The turret, redesigned for better ergonomics and protection, now houses advanced sensors and a digital fire control system that can lock onto moving targets with incredible accuracy. One of the biggest upgrades in the 2026 M60 Patton is its main armament. The traditional 105mm gun has been replaced by a modern 120mm smoothbore cannon capable of firing multiple types of advanced ammunition, including armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot, AFSTs, and programmable high-explosive rounds. These rounds can penetrate even the toughest enemy armor from long distances, giving the M60 a lethal edge on the battlefield. The autoloader system ensures faster firing rates and reduces the crew workload, allowing the tank to respond quickly in high-intensity combat situations. The firepower doesn't stop there. The 2026 M60 also comes with a secondary remote-controlled weapon station mounted on top of the turret, equipped with a 12.7mm heavy machine gun and a 40mm automatic grenade launcher. This setup provides superior protection against drones, infantry, and light armored vehicles. Additionally, the integration of an advanced laser defense system gives the M60 a countermeasure against incoming guided missiles, making it a formidable force even in electronic warfare environments. Powering this new beast is a next-generation hybrid diesel-electric powertrain producing more than 1,500 horsepower. This engine not only boosts performance but also enhances fuel efficiency and reduces heat signature, an essential feature in modern stealth warfare. The upgraded suspension and tracks allow the tank to handle rough terrains with stability and speed. Despite its heavy armor, the 2026 M60 can reach speeds of up to 70 km/h on roads and maneuver effortlessly across mud, sand, and rocky surfaces. The power-to-weight ratio has been optimized to ensure agility without sacrificing durability, proving that this revived war machine is built for versatility and endurance. Inside, the M60's crew cabin feels more like a digital command center than a tank. The cockpit is equipped with touch-screen controls, augmented reality displays, and 360-degree camera views. The integration of artificial intelligence assists the commander with battlefield data analysis, threat detection, and target prioritization. The communication system has been upgraded to a satellite-linked digital network, allowing seamless coordination with drones, infantry units, and other armored vehicles in real time. The M60 can even function autonomously for short durations, thanks to semi-autonomous driving features developed through AI-driven control systems. In terms of protection, the 2026 M60 is built with next-level defense layers. The tank incorporates active protection systems, APS, that detect and intercept incoming missiles before they can hit the armor. Reactive armor panels detonate outward to neutralize shaped charges, while its internal spall liners keep the crew safe from fragments in case of impact. Additionally, the tank uses radar-based threat detection to warn the crew of enemy projectiles or aircraft, enabling rapid countermeasures. These modern defensive technologies make the M60 as secure as any next-gen main battle tank currently in service. The U.S. Army's decision to revive and upgrade the M60 wasn't just about nostalgia, it was a strategic move. Many countries still operate older M60 variants, and the 2026 model offers them an affordable yet powerful upgrade path. This modernization not only reduces production costs compared to developing a new tank from scratch but also ensures that the M60 legacy continues in a modern combat environment. Nations can now field a tank that competes with the latest Russian and Chinese models at a fraction of the cost. Beyond its hardware, the M60 Patton 2026 also symbolizes military evolution. It represents the bridge between traditional tank warfare and the future of intelligent, data-driven combat systems. The tank's sensors, eye systems, and digital connectivity make it part of a larger combat network of what military strategists call network-centric warfare. In this setup, the M60 isn't just a tank, it's a moving data hub that collects, processes, and shares information across the battlefield in real time. The tank's performance and field tests has stunned many analysts. Reports suggest that the M60 outperformed several newer models in mobility, targeting accuracy, and survivability under simulated combat conditions. Its combination of heavy armor, powerful gun, and advanced electronics allows it to dominate both urban warfare and open field engagements. Whether it's engaging enemy tanks at long range or supporting infantry in close-quarter battles, the M60 proves it's more than capable of adapting to modern threats. As for its future role, military experts believe the M60 Patton 2026 will serve as a strategic reserve tank for the U.S. Army and as an export powerhouse for allied nations. It offers a reliable, cost-effective, and combat-proven platform that can be quickly deployed worldwide. Its advanced upgrade package ensures longevity for decades to come, proving that even an old war legend can return stronger, smarter, and more deadly than ever before. In the end, the 2026 M60 Patton is not just an upgraded tank, it's a statement. It tells the world that the spirit of American engineering, innovation, and military dominance is alive and unstoppable. What was once an icon of the past has now become a symbol of the future. The rebirth of the M60 is a reminder that true legends never die, they evolve.